The United States is a melting pot of cultures, and that diversity is reflected in its iconic dishes. From classic comfort foods to regional specialties, American cuisine is bold, flavorful, and deeply rooted in tradition. Today, we're counting down the top 20 most popular dishes in the USA, exploring their history, ingredients, and why they're loved nationwide. Which American dish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Let's dig in. 20. Jambalaya, a Louisiana Creole dish with rice, sausage, shrimp, and vegetables, packed with Cajun spices. Inspired by Spanish paella, it's a staple of Southern cuisine. 19. Philly cheesesteak. Philadelphia classic, this hearty sandwich features thinly sliced beefsteak and melted cheese, typically served in a hoagie roll with onions and peppers. 18. Clam chowder, a creamy New England specialty. Clam chowder is a rich soup made with clams, potatoes, onions, and celery, often served in a bread bowl. 17. Fried chicken. Crispy, golden brown fried chicken is a Southern favorite, marinated in buttermilk and spices before being deep fried to perfection. 16. Buffalo wings. These spicy, tangy chicken wings originated in Buffalo, New York. They're deep-fried and coated in hot sauce, butter, and spices, served with ranch or blue cheese dressing. 15. Gumbo. A thick, flavorful stew from Louisiana, gumbo combines meat or seafood with okra, onions, and peppers in a deep, savory broth. 14. Barbecue ribs. Slow-cooked to tender perfection, barbecue ribs are coated in a rich, smoky sauce. Different regions have their own style, from Kansas City's sweet sauce to Texas's dry rubs. 13. Cornbread. A classic Southern side dish, cornbread is slightly sweet and moist, made from cornmeal, butter, eggs, and milk, often served with barbecue or chili. 12. Reuben sandwich. A New York deli staple, the Reuben is made with corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and Russian dressing, grilled between slices of rye bread. 11. Chili, a rich, hearty meat stew made with ground beef, beans, tomatoes, and spices. Texas-style chili skips the beans, while other regions love adding them. 10. Mac and cheese. Creamy, cheesy, and comforting, macaroni and cheese is an all-American favorite, baked or stovetop cooked with cheddar cheese, milk, and butter. 9. Biscuits and gravy. Southern comfort food, this dish features soft, flaky biscuits covered in creamy sausage gravy, often eaten for breakfast. 8. Hot dogs. A baseball stadium classic, the hot dog is a grilled sausage served in a bun, topped with mustard, ketchup, onions, or relish. 7. Lobster roll. A New England favorite, the lobster roll consists of buttery, toasted bread filled with fresh lobster meat, lightly seasoned with mayo and lemon juice. 6. Apple pie. Nothing says American as apple pie more than this classic dessert, made with sweet, spiced apples baked in a flaky crust. 5. Pancakes. A breakfast staple. American pancakes are fluffy and golden, served with maple syrup, butter, and fresh fruit. 4. Cheeseburger. A grilled beef patty topped with melted cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and condiments, served on a soft bun. A true fast food favorite. 3. Fried shrimp, Southern style. Crispy, deep-fried shrimp coated in seasoned flour or cornmeal, often served with a tangy cocktail or tartar sauce. 2. Barbecue brisket. Texas favorite, slow-cooked beef brisket is smoked for hours, creating tender, flavorful meat with a rich, smoky bark. 1. Pizza, New York and Chicago style. Whether it's thin crust, foldable New York style, or deep dish, cheesy Chicago style, pizza is the most beloved dish across the United States. That wraps up our list of the top 20 most popular dishes in the USA. From smoky barbecue to classic apple pie, these foods represent the heart and soul of American cuisine. Which dish is your favorite? Did we miss any iconic American foods? Let us know in the comments below. If you love food content, like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next food adventure.